Ooh. So we have talked about a lot in the last what was it 340, yeah, in the last hour and a half of your life that you've spent watching these videos. More if you've been pausing and doing it things as we went. More power to you. I respect it. My voice respects it too. Ugh. Regardless, again, I want to reiterate, this transition isn't easy. I understand the difficulties that come with this. I've moved platforms. I've had to take folks in my and I've had to try and drag people in my communities with me. It's not easy. And at the end of the day, ripping the band-aid off and doing this now sooner rather than later when you're up shit's creek without a paddle is going to be good. I want to kind of tell a story about a time I was listening to NPR as a kid in the car. This was back in, I don't know, when I was 16 years old, so I'd say probably 2013, 2014. I was listening to NPR on the way home from choir practice, and there was a thing on the radio where they were talking about they're shuttering Google Plus. For those who don't remember what Google Plus is, and I mentioned it earlier in the show, it was Google's social media engine, social media site. I was on it a little bit. It was kind of like Pinterest, but not as good, and had some followers stuff. It was okay. It wasn't fantastic. Only 5 million people used it at any one time, and unless something is grotesquely, explosively popular, Google shelves it pretty damn quickly. Although Google Plus lasted a lot longer, nobody really used it. Except the people that used it. There were people with millions and millions of followers and engaging with their followers every single day on it. And NPR talked to one of the women that was one of these people, and they were like, "Yeah, this really sucks. I this is my life for a long time. I mean, I met a lot of my friends here, and they built a business here, and now it's all gone. All to do. It's a rough place to be. A really rough place to be. And it sucks that so many of you feel like we're here, that you're here. I know that this video series has been kind of blasé. It's like low effort produced, but I'm hoping that the information contained wherein has been helpful to you. I know that this isn't easy. I know that you're engaging with platforms that you either tacitly barely touch or aren't really interested in engaging with. And I think I just want to say I'm proud of you, and I'm proud of you as a person for going through that level of effort. It shows a level of growth and maturity befitting of a person who's dealing with that level of struggle. And let's be fucking real, most people don't have that that aren't able to make those choices and keep pushing. So I hope that this video series has been helpful to you. I'm gonna be fielding questions and stuff for people in the comments. I'll probably make YouTube short videos explaining things and just like quick, easy little quick things in quick detail. I'll add them to the end of this playlist and stuff just in case. But by and large, I think you guys are gonna be okay. I wish you the best of luck. And I hope that the knowledge I've imparted here will make it so you guys don't have to struggle anywhere near as much that I did when I was trying to figure the shit out. I don't think TikTok's going to go anywhere. I'm hoping it doesn't, but I'm hoping by setting up your communities, posting on YouTube, and getting comfortable with the platform and using the platform makes that uneasiness a little bit more manageable. Have a good one, everybody. It's been a pleasure. And I don't know, maybe stick around. I got other content. Got a lot of podcasts. YouTube's really great for podcasts. They've got a good RSS integration now, but that's for another video. Have a good one, folks.